Since today is Halloween, I wanted to spend a few short minutes talking about what Albert Einstein famously called spooky action at a distance. Now, Einstein was dismissing a central notion of quantum mechanics that one tiny quantum of energy can connect with another tiny quantum of energy at vast distances through cosmic space, so that the two quanta behave identically. Thinking this to be an essential feature of quantum mechanics, physicist Erwin Schrödinger called these connections quantum entanglement. But to Einstein, it seemed too magical, so he dismissed it as spooky action at a distance. There's still no definitive answer to the question of whether Einstein or Schrödinger was right. But maybe it's because of Halloween's spookiness that I want to bet Einstein had the inside track on the race to figure out what really happens at levels of energy so tiny that none of our instruments could ever pinpoint one. That race looks like it's in its final heat now, with the finish line in sight. Billions of dollars are being spent by government, academic, and commercial interests to be the first to harness the power of a fully functioning quantum computer. That's a computer that will use the tiny quantum of energy I just spoke about to transmit and process information at blazing fast speeds that'll make today's supercomputers look like antique relics. The quantum record hasn't stopped talking about quantum computers since we launched over 3 years ago, and we won't stop talking about them. That's because we know how powerful they could become. And the technology is so complex that relatively few highly trained people have an eye on our quantum future. But you and I are going to be part of that future too. And that's why it's our mission at the Quantum Record to despookify the power of the quantum and bring all of us into the discussion about the shape of time to come. The future is approaching us at light speed. And when the power of the quantum of energy is soon in our hands, what will we do with it? The Quantum Record is the only publication that's brought you an in depth 6 part series on the questions of quantum ethics, because we might not all like the ways that quantum power will be used by the powerful. The philosophy of quantum technology isn't just an academic sideline, it's a real and urgently pressing matter for every one of us. And that's why bringing the power of knowledge to the people is our mission at the Quantum Record. To see how deeply committed we are to the human future, check out the Quantum Record 6 part series on quantum ethics. Check out too our latest article on the potential for photonic technologies, which transmit quantum information in light waves, to unleash the incredible value of life saving drugs in the very near future. Now, that's the kind of spooky action at a distance that would be most welcome.